Otter AI tutorial, how to use Otter AI for beginners 2025 2 minutes. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about Otter AI, how to use Otter AI for beginners. I will tell in details in this video. So first of all, you have to click on start for free and sign up, or you can just log in to your account on Otter AI, web or mobile. And after that, you have to link your calendar, Google or Outlook during onboarding to enable automatic meeting joins. And after that, you have to install the app on iOS or Android for recording on the go. And for recording and importing, tap recording app or let Otter Assistant auto join Zoom meeting, Teams or Meet calls, and alternatively upload audio or video files for transactions. And for the transcript reviews, in my conversation, select your transcript to edit speaker's level, timing, and custom vocabulary. And you can use playback features like sync, speed control, and keyword search for refined accuracy. And to add highlights and summarize, highlight key moments or manually tag action items and add comments. Otter auto generates summaries, word cloud, and outline views for quickly overviews. And for the sharing and collaboration part, you have to click on share to invite teammates or generate a public link, and permissions are customizable and integrates with Slack, Notion, Salesforce, and can send notes to channels automatically. And the free plan is 300 minutes per month, 30 minutes per session, includes basic transcriptions and summaries. And the pro version is 16.99 per month. That is 1200 minutes per month, longer uploads, advanced search and vocabulary. Business and enterprise plans offer integrations, analytics, AI agents like Autopilot and Meeting Agent. And let me give you a tip, like add custom vocabulary for a specialized team, terms, and tag speakers manually for clarity. So within 2 minutes, you are up and running. Sign up, record or auto join meetings, review and edit transcripts, highlight key points, share with your team, upgrade for extra time, tool, and AI agents. Otter AI saves hourly, weekly by automating notes and automating meeting notes and action items, ideal for professionals, students, and team aiming to stay organized and efficient. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.